Hello, I am Maria Chin Abdullah and I'm going to read you a wonderful story. It is written by Shivakaminii, Ponniah, and also Zhea Lynn Martinent. It's illustrated by Helen Angelia. I am a superhero. Come on, let's start. It was a cold, rainy night. Tulsi has just come home from a difficult day in primary school. She walks in to be greeted by her sister and her cat, Troy Jude. She pauses to tell them how her day went, but decides not to, as she can't bear another second reliving those moments. As Tulsi gets more and more tired from her long day, she falls asleep, drifting into dreamland. When Tulsi wakes up, she is in a strange place and looks around for any sign of life. Hello, she says. Is anyone there? Soon after, she spots a group of women gathered together. She is greeted by an Indian girl named Kamini. Welcome, Tulsi. We have been waiting for you, says Kamini. Tulsi hesitates before walking towards her. Sorry, miss, but do I know you? She asks shyly. We are here to help you. We heard about your hard day at school. A girl named Mei Ling answers. We hear you want to be a superhero. I do, Tulsi replies excitedly. But all my classmates laughed at me. They said, girls can't be superheroes. Tulsi says with a sour face. The lady dressed in a hijab, Sophia, answers from her wheelchair. That's not true. In fact, all of us gathered here are superheroes, she says, as the other women all agree. Really? Tulsi asked with excitement in her eyes. I want to learn how to be one too. Don't worry. Everyone here believes you can be anything you want to be, said Nadia with an encouraging smile. Yeah, and do not let anyone tell you any different, said Mei Ling. Tulsi looks around the room as she tries to figure out what it would take to be a superhero. As she scans the room, she notices that all the women are so very different from each other. She grows curious and asks, you are all so different. I don't know what I have to do to be a superhero like all of you. What am I supposed to wear? What am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to act? The superheroes all giggles at Tulsi's endless string of questions. Oh dear Tulsi, there is more to being a superhero than knowing what to wear or how to act. We must remember that we are not defined by these things, said the woman named Merlo. As you can see, we all have very different hobbies, styles, bodies, looks, and strength. A big smile appeared on her face. I think I finally understand. I did not know it was that simple. Tomorrow, I'm going to be proud of who I am. I will spread smiles no matter what people say. And I will not let anyone discourage me from who I want to be or what I want to do. She thanks all of them and says goodbye. Thank you. Bye. The next day, when she goes to school, she stays true to herself and feels very happy in her superhero outfit. The other children now all want to join her. So she invites them to play with her and they all play happily together. It's not difficult to be a superhero. All it takes to be a superhero is to believe and stay true to yourself. It is important for us to read because, like our body, we need food, fish, vegetables, chicken to make our body grow. Our brain is like our body, it needs food as well. Reading is the food for our brain. And most importantly, it makes us dream of adventures, demons, dinosaurs, magic, and many, many other things. And lastly, it really makes us laugh. So happy reading. Thank you very much.